Baryer, Handy Andy, back at it for another unboxing video. Look at the size of this box. This is from Hisense, and what we're looking at is an ultra short throw laser projector. This is essentially it's a laser TV because this comes with a 100-inch screen. So a 4K image that's 100 inches. They also actually have a 120-inch model for this. This, my friends, is the latest in projection technology. This thing costs like $5,000. It's the biggest unboxing video I've ever done. So let's go ahead and get started to see what's inside. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, wow. Let's check this out. It's a box within a box. And it looks like underneath there is another box. So imagining this right here is the projector. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. The screen is on the bottom. I'm gonna play it safe right now and not even touch that because that's a big can of worms. And again, I don't want to mount it. I don't want to mount it on the wall because I'm gonna put screws and holes in the wall, and then I'm gonna have to take it down. So that's unfortunate because I really wanted to see how the screen makes a difference for these new projectors. But for now, we will focus on this right here. This is a serious projector. Look at this. Ultra short throw projector that's going to give you 100 inches. And it does come with the screen inside here on the bottom, but I'm not even going to touch that. I got to check to see what to do with that because I don't want to put that all together and then have to put it back in the box later. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and then we'll see what's inside. So it comes with gloves because this is when you're putting the projector together. It also has the remote control, some power cords. There is a tool as well. I imagine this will be the instructions for that. And there's something in here. I'm so curious. I want to know what's in there now. What is this? Oh, this is and also a little brush. Wow, this is interesting. Okay, well, take all that out. Wow, this thing's pretty heavy. Oh. Wow, this thing means business. Look at the size of it. It's heavy too. Here's the first look. Let's take this wrap off. Wow, this looks slick. This looks very premium. I'm very impressed. It's got these little sparkles inside. It looks like a spaceship or something. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Nice grills on the side. You can just see on top, it's got a nice glossy finish. 4K smart laser television. built-in Android TV. I can't wait to get this set up. I'm almost tempted to set this right here in this living room, even though unfortunately I got this art piece here, and I put this on so heavy duty. Can't get it off. I get it off, I'm gonna have marks on the wall, but I did actually buy new wall paint. I don't know if it's gonna match. I tried to get it to match. I really want to take that off. I have so many projectors to review, so I'll have to install this in the Central City smart home. So you want to make sure you watch that video as I put this to the test in a dedicated smart home themed Airbnb suite. So there we go. That's the unboxing of this Hisense 100L9G, the Cine100A. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're interested in this kind of stuff. Leave your comments below. Tell me what you think about this. If there's anything you want me to test when I do my review. And of course, subscribe to this channel. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.